Hello to all. So I have finally decided to get my first EDC knife, and no reason why I haven't carried one before, but better late than never. And the one I went with, all right, here we go, is from an Italian manufacturer, Viper Knives. So I do not speak Italian. I'm not sure what that means right there. All right, so adequate packaging, nothing special really, just a cardboard box. And here we go. We have our sheath and we have our knife. And maybe some instructions, a manual, something like that. So let's see what this says. And I'm trying to find to see if there's any English on here. Oh, there it is at the bottom. This knife is recognized by the Managio quality system. I don't know what that means. Represents warranty of origin, manufacturing process, and safety. All right. Now they wrap this up nice. Okay, so they give you a Kydex sheath for it, and it already comes with a belt clip. I was prepared to use one of mine, but it already comes with one. I'm not sure how to, just twist and squeeze and pop it open. There we go. Pretty easy. But this is what we want to see. Oh, wow. Look at this. And this is the Viper Knives Koi, as you guys can see. The Koi. So the overall length of it is around 8 inches, and you get about a 3.2 inch cutting edge right here. And I've noticed this knife is very, very light and is well balanced too. Just right around here on this first hole, I can just easily let the knife teeter on my finger. Very well balanced. And it's very light. Where's my... I don't know why my scale likes to do that. Zero itself out on its own. Wow, under 4 ounces. It's a very light knife. Beautiful craftsmanship. The handles, they can come in carbon fiber G10. These are micarta right here. Man, stonewash finish. And I'm not a knife guy. I don't know what the different steels are and everything, what they're good at, what the weak points are. But as you can see, this is made of M390 steel. And the designer is Jesper Vox, and I am going to assume that is his logo there. And again, this is Viper Knives, made in Italy. Koi, and it looks like their logo is the pitchfork end of a snake's tail. So the knife does feel really good in the hand on the back here and all around on the handles. As you guys can see, it's actually rounded off. It's not squared. So that gives you a very nice feel. It's smooth, not abrasive, no sharp edges in your hand. I'm able to get all 4 of my fingers right underneath this hump. And you got a shield. Again, I'm probably butchering all the terminology when it comes to knives, but it's a good feeling knife. And let's try this sheath out. Locks in nice. And that's not coming out. That's a very nice sheath. And lets us see how sharp it is from the factory. Wow. It is, that was me right there. This is very sharp. Let's see how slow I can go. Wow. So a beautiful, beautiful knife. Comes with a very nice Kydex sheath. I'm thinking about trying to carry this probably on my weak side. Never carried a knife before. I don't know why, but I do like the fixed blades more so than folding blades and even like OTF automatic blades too. I'm very, very excited about this one. Very light, again, well balanced craftsmanship, very smart, very sharp. And I'm going to do some research on that steel there. I'm sure it's going to be, it looks stainless, so I'm sure it's going to hold its edge pretty well. I've never sharpened a knife before, so this edge retention should be pretty nice and should have a nice long-lasting product. I'll give you guys an update on it after I've carried it a little while, and I'm looking very forward to this. But I appreciate you guys watching, and take care.